Now, put more perspective into this. Let's now bring in outgoing Dean at the Kabarak University Law School and also Advocate of the High Court, Elisha Ongoya. Now, from what we understand, thank you for joining us on the program tonight. From what we understand is that the case of Joho's papers in 2013 prior to the elections could have an impact on what happens this year and the case that is currently ongoing, the probe, that is. What are we going to see that, a case of criminal charges being preferred against the Mombasa governor for presenting forged documents in 2013? And how much responsibility does the Kenya National Examination Council carry for this?
Thank you so much. The decision whether or not we are going to have criminal charges being preferred against Joho is a decision to be made elsewhere by an independent office called the Independent of the Director of Public Prosecutions, and therefore any opinion we may have about that is purely speculative. But let me say this. There are legal aspects of this dispute and there are political aspects of these disputes, and both of them are legitimate aspects. In terms of the legal aspects, it should not be lost to our viewers that in 2003, there were, to my mind, not less than 4 cases that were filed in court to challenge Joho's eligibility to contest the Mombasa gubernatorial race and the validity of his election as a consequence of that contest on the strength of his academic qualifications. I'm also aware that Justice Lenaola found the degree qualification of Joho to have been valid at that time. Of course, legitimate legal questions may arise that the material that was placed before Judge Lenaola before he reached that verdict, was it lawful material or was it fraudulent material? That is a matter that perhaps these investigations or other investigations may help unravel, and that may have an impact one way or the other on, therefore, the eligibility of Governor Joho to contest the 2017 gubernatorial elections. But as facts stand now, there is an existing decision of the High Court that finds Joho's degree as valid.
Thank you, sir. We'll stay with Elisha Ongoya for more analysis on the broad.